Ghana's government is advancing a comprehensive strategy to elevate the country's pharmaceutical manufacturing sector, improve financing accessibility, and strengthen local production. This initiative, unveiled during the African Healthcare Manufacturing Trade Exhibition and Conference in Accra, underscores Ghana's ambition to become a major player in Africa's health industry. Delivering a keynote on behalf of Vice President Professor Nana Genopoku Agyemang, Dr. Samuel Ofosu Ampofo, Policy Advisor on Political Affairs, says the government's new industrial framework focuses on financial support, tax incentives, and technology transfer programs to empower small and medium-scale pharmaceutical producers.
On behalf of Her Excellency Professor Jane Nana Genopoku Agyemang, Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, I extend warm greetings and heartfelt appreciation to the Federation of African Pharmaceutical Manufacturers Association, FAPMA, the team guiding our deliberation, collaborate to compete, strengthening partnership for sustainable growth is not just a call to discussion. It is a call to destiny, a call that Africa defining moment and opportunity to unite our capacities, harness our collective intelligence, and build a self-reliant system that protects the health and prosperity of our people. Collaboration is the foundation of our collective progress. To collaborate is to recognize that Africa's strength lies in solidarity when a regulator in Kenya, an investor in South Africa, and a manufacturer in Ghana act as one strategic ecosystem. To compete is to raise our standards that builds world-class facilities, enforce quality, and ensure that Africa-made medicines and health products are globally trusted. This conference, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, through its exhibition, investment, dialogue, and factory visit, is not just a platform for discussion, but also a golden opportunity to forge an actionable roadmap. The partnership that emerged here can redefine Africa's health manufacturing future and ensure that our continent becomes the net producer rather than a perpetual consumer. To our partners from FAPMA and Missouri, we commend your unwavering dedication to build a self-sufficient African pharmaceutical sector. To the delegates from 111 organizations across 26 countries, you represent the architect of African industrial and health sovereignty. The task before us is monumental, but it is achievable. Let us together make the 30% figure a relic of the past and commit to a future where Africa manufactures the medicine it needs, sustain the jobs it creates, and secures the health of its people with pride and independence. On behalf of Her Excellency, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, I officially declare the African Health Manufacturing Trade Exhibition and Conference, AHMTEC 2025, duly open.
Adding to the discussion, Abibi Jinatu, local manufacturing coordinator at the Africa CDC, acknowledged that while significant progress has been made in expanding vaccine and medicinal and medical product manufacturing across Africa, market sustainability and limited government procurement still pose major challenges. He urged policymakers and manufacturers to think creatively and implement robust strategies to make African-made products more comprehensive and to enhance intra-Africa trade.
Ladies and gentlemen, although significant progress has been made in expanding African manufacturing of vaccines and other health products, several challenges remain unaddressed. Allow me to mention a few of the challenges. The first one being market sustainability. Fragmented markets and unpredictable demand continue to hamper investment. Price competition from established global manufacturers necessitates that we think creatively and apply the necessary policy support tools to make our African-made products competitive. Limited government procurement commitments for locally manufactured products remains a challenge, especially when it comes to committing to buy from other African countries. Limited uptake by global procurement organizations to buy African manufactured products remains to be a challenge. Second, technical barriers. Gaps in specialized workforce across the value chain and limited access to technology and know-how slows down the development of new products and building of skills.
Thank you for watching Nation One TV. Kindly subscribe for more news updates.